In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a goal in Asana. Let's get started by opening Asana and heading to the Goals section. You can find goals in the left sidebar. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding your navigation or using the search bar to look for goals. This area gives you a high-level view of your organization's objectives, so it's the best place to keep everything aligned and current. Now, select the specific goal you want to update. If you have a long list, use filters to narrow by owner, time frame, or status. Open the goal to bring up its details page. This is where you'll make your updates and confirm everything reflects reality. Before changing anything, take a moment to review the current goal details and progress. Look at the owner, time period, and any existing status, such as on track, at risk, or off track. Check the progress metric. This could be a percentage, a numeric target, or a milestone count. And skim the description for scope and success criteria. It helps to glance at the activity feed so you understand what's changed recently and whether there are notes that explain the current trajectory. When you're ready, update the status, the progress metric, or the description as needed. If the goal is moving smoothly, set the status to on track and bump the percentage or metric to reflect the latest results. If there are blockers, switch the status to at risk or off track and make sure the metric reflects the actual numbers. Use the description to clarify scope, assumptions, or timelines if something has shifted. Keep your wording specific and measurable so anyone reading it understands exactly where things stand. Next, add any notes or supporting project updates. A concise note goes a long way. Include what changed, why it changed, and what's happening next. If the progress ties to specific work, link relevant projects or tasks, and reference recent project status updates. This helps stakeholders connect the goals movement to the underlying work and reduces back and forth questions later. Finally, save your changes so the goal reflects the latest progress. After saving, confirm the new status and metric are visible on the goal and in any dashboards or portfolios that use this data. If collaborators follow the goal, they'll see the update and can respond with feedback or support. Keeping this habit ensures your goals stay accurate, actionable, and aligned with your broader plan. That's it. Your Asana goal is updated and ready to guide the next steps.